and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. So in today's video we are going to learn about contouring. So there are some tips and tricks that I have learned recently and some technique of doing your contour. Also in my previous video I have shared a technique of applying concealer which will not let your concealer sit into your fine lines and will not let it crease. So yes, if you haven't watched that video, I will leave it here so you can check. So yes, without wasting any further time, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, so my base makeup is done, so we can directly do the contouring thing. So for contour, we have a powder contour which looks something like this. So this is from Sephora. And this is the contour. It is basically a trio palette which has a contour shade, a bronzer and a highlighter. I don't use its highlighter, like very rare. But yes, I love its bronzer and contour. Then comes a cream contour. I don't have any cream contour because I use a powder contour only. And I am in a need of cream contour, but I can't buy it right now because this is a quarantine time. But don't worry, we have a nude lipstick with us. A nude lipstick works wonderful as a contour. So you can use any nude lipstick that you have. It works awesome as a contour. I'm gonna show you now. Even if you have purchased a wrong shade of foundation or concealer which is darker than your skin tone, you can use it as your contour as well. Because I have done it by myself. I have a wrong shade of concealer, so I use it as my contour. So yes, first I'm gonna show you how you can contour with a nude lipstick, and then I'm gonna show you how you can contour with a powder as well. So why we need contour is like right now I'm done with my base and my face is looking really flat, like all in one color, which I really don't like. So I like to contour my face this way. It gives an illusion of, higher cheekbones and sharp jawline, sharp nose. This is what the contouring is all about. It gives your face a dimension, a sculpting thing. So all you need to do is first let's talk about the cheek contour. So I'm gonna take this lipstick, the nude one. So for your contouring, you can use anything to blend your contour. Like you can use a beauty blender or you can use a brush. So I'm gonna show you in both the ways. So for contouring, I have this round brush and I'm gonna use it to blend my contour. And then I will also be using this beauty blender. Now how you have to contour your cheek is can you feel this cheekbone? So you have to contour just beneath this. You can see your ear starting. You have to take a brush and you have to do like this. So this is where your contour line lies. And you don't have to contour up to here. Can you see the arch of your brow? Like midway. So you have to stop right here and up to here. That's it. You have to stop here as well. So this is the point from where my ear starts, and here, and I have to stop up to here. Now when you are blending it, do not drag it downwards. You have to blend it upwards like this. Can you see that? You have to do it like this in upward motion, otherwise your face will look droopy, so in circular motions. And you can also make a fish face to draw your contour line. Like you can see the hollow of your cheeks. Now in circular motions and in upward direction. And now here with this beauty blender, so all you have to do is in upward motions. And take it all the way to your temple, because here we also need contouring. So now can you see a shadow appeared on my cheeks, which makes my face looks like so dimensional. So this is what contouring does. And now for your forehead, what you have to do is, starting from the temple of your face, like this is also a little dark and contoured, and I'm gonna take it till here. So this is how you contour your forehead, and this is just to give an illusion of short forehead, because there are a lot of people who have like big forehead. So you can give an illusion of short forehead like this. And now I'm gonna drag it to my hairline, not you have to blend it downwards but upwards. drag it to your hair like this. Yes. And now for your jawline, what you have to do is, like, you can also hide your double chin with this. Yes. So for jawline, you have to start where your ear ends. So here. You have to cut your jawline like this. Like this. And now if you need a sharp chin, what I like to do is I take this line this way. So this will give you an illusion of sharp chin. And if you need it more sharp, then you can, do this up to here. So it's your wish. Now again, taking my brush, I'm gonna blend it downwards, like not upwards. So I love contouring. This is the reason why I love contouring. And now it's time for the nose. So for nose, you have to understand one thing. Like if you have a broad nose, so like can you see this shadow? This is the natural shadow. That's why our nose appears like this. So to give an illusion of sharp nose, you have to draw two lines. So you have to start from here, like from where your eyebrows start. Just make a rough line here. And now these two lines will decide the shape of your nose. So I have drawn these two lines very close to each other. So this way my nose will appear like this. But if you draw these lines wide apart, your nose will look like this. So this is how you have to do it. And now to give it a lift up look, I'm gonna cut my nose here as well. That's it. For this, my nose, I'm gonna use this blending brush, like the small one. And yes. So now you have to drag it outwards. You can use your finger as well. And now, using this powder contour from Sephora, what I'm gonna do is, like this is a cream product, so there is a lot of chances that it can move away. I'm gonna use this contour, like you have to dust off the excess. And now all you have to do is, like the contouring starts from the number 3. Like I have divided my face into half, so 3. Like this. And this is what we have done for our forehead, then our cheeks, and then this jaw. To make it sharper or to highlight your areas, what you have to do is, like I am taking this Bharat and Doris loose powder and taking my beauty blender. It is a little damp, so I'm going to take the product on it like this, and the areas that are left, like you have done, like talking about the forehead, you have done the contouring here, so this area is left. So I'm going to powder it here and leave it like this, like a very thin layer of powder. Then for your face, you have done contouring here. So this area is left, right? And also this. So I'm gonna apply powder here. Same goes this way as well, like here. And then I'm gonna cut it here. Now for your chin, you have applied lines here. So this area is empty. So I'm filling this layer here. For your nose, you have applied your contour here. So I'm gonna fill a line of powder here in between. And now wait for about 10 seconds and then you can dust off this powder. Alright, so it's about 10 to 15 seconds now. So I'm gonna use this brush. This is a big fluffy brush. So now dusting off it, like you have to move your brush like this. Wow, can you see that face brightened up suddenly? Alright people, so that's it with this video and I really hope this video is kinda helpful for you all. So if you have any other recommendation, then do let me know in the comment section below. If you have any other query, then let me know in the comment section below and I'll see you in my next video.